All right. Hi everyone. How are you all? I think everything is okay. Friends, today in this quick tutorial video, I will teach you inheritance in Java. Okay. Inheritance in OOPS concept in Java. Okay, friends. Friends, observe me very carefully. Okay. Throughout the code functionality and all, observe me very carefully what I am doing, why I am doing. Just I will walk you throughout. You know. Okay, so yeah. Let us create one blueprint class like animal. Okay, let us create one blueprint class of animal. Okay, and let us now define this animal class. All right. Okay, so yeah, what animal class will have? He will have some name, right? He will have some name. Animal will have some name, right? Then animal will have some age, right? Animal will have some age. Then animal will have some what you call uh you know some string. Okay, this is what animal class is having. I'm thinking I'm limiting my blueprint class to this only, right? Name, age, and let us one provide one method. Okay, let us provide one method so that this animal class can contain some sort of a method. Okay, and let that method is public void and animal functionality. Okay, let us name this method as animal functionality. Okay, friends, animal functionality. Okay, and yeah, if it is having of void return type, so he will also have a definitely round braces will follow. Okay, so friends, now let us define this method. Okay, what this particular block of code, block of functionality function will do. Okay, let us now define this method. Okay, so yeah, let it be out. Okay, what he will do is what he will do is he will say, this is my respective personality, this is my respective functionality. Okay, this is my respective, okay, functionality. Okay, like this, I am just declaring over here. Okay, friends, what I'm saying is here is, friends, this is the respective functionality of the animal. Okay, animal can be anything. It can be lion, it can be tiger, it can be cow, it can be chimpanzee, what have you. Okay, so every animal is having different characteristics, functionality with them. Okay, so yeah, this is what I am trying to tell. Okay, now friends, I will just extend this animal, what you call class. Okay, tell me one thing, right? If I want to make lion from animal, right? Lion is part of animal category only, no? Yeah, I know lion is part of wild animals, but moreover it is part of animal only, no? So what I will do is I will now make a class of lion. Okay, from animal only. Okay, how will I make? Just observe me very carefully. Okay, class, let it be lion extends animal. Okay, excellent. Extends animal. Okay, so this is what I have defined here. Okay, so I have made a blueprint class of lion which is extending from the lion class, from the animal class, sorry. Okay, so the moment I have provided this, just see here, he's what just one thing is blinking here. Okay, let me put the cursor here, and he's telling me that now you have started making use of the inheritance property. Okay, now let me make one more, what you call, let me make one more animal class which is extending from animal. Okay, let it be class of, what you call, what is your favorite animal name? Okay, let it be chimpanzee. Okay, chimpanzee. Okay, chimpanzee. Don't go by spelling and all. Okay, I'm very bad in English. Okay, so English and all, just ignore this. Okay, so what I'm doing is, friends, I have defined extends keyword. I missed the extends keyword, right? Extends keyword should come here, right? So that's why he's showing me the error. Okay, so class of chimpanzee which is extending from animal. Okay, two blueprint class I have generated. Two inheritor now, over here two inheritor is blinking in the IDE, which is showing me that, which is giving me the result that here you have used two times generations, you have made, right? Once you have defined the animal class, and after animal class you have extended from animal to lion, and what you call, from animal, from what you call animal to what you call chimpanzee also you have selected, right? You have extended the list. Okay, so friends, here I am using making you to show the property of inheritance. Okay, the moment I have written extends keyword here, the moment I have written extends keyword here, it is showing me that now I am using the inheritance property of Java. Okay, very good friends. Now friends, if I want to access the lion class inside, for how can I access them? Firstly, I have to make the objects for lion, and I want to, what I want to make is I want that whatever property I have defined for animal, whatever property I have defined for animal, this should come without defining in lion class. Okay, I have not defined the properties inside the lion class, in the lion's blueprint class, if I say more specifically. Okay, but what I want to do is whatever property I have defined in animal class, I want this property should this all properties of what string name, int age, and all this method and all, this should come here. Okay, this should come here. Similarly for chimpanzee also I will not define anything. Okay, this will come here automatically. Okay, this will all this property of name, age, and this functionality, animal functionality method, lion will inherit it. Lion will inherit what do you call it? inherit it inherit with them, and chimpanzee will inherit with them. Okay, so for that, firstly I will create the object of animal, then I will one by one call the functionality of animal and all, then I will one then what I will do is I will make object of lion, and I will access them. I will access the properties of an animal of lion by putting dot name dot dot age and all, like this I will access them. How will I access them? Because here inheritance is working internally. Okay, friends, inheritance means passing one property from one generations to another generations. Okay, this is only known as the concept of inheritance. Okay, so how will I access them? Firstly, I have already told you every Java program is having one public class. Okay, so public class of main. Okay, so it always go by the name of this class. Okay, that is the main method class, that is through which the code is opened, right? So this always this should match. Okay, otherwise you will get error. Okay, let us now make the object for what you call animal. Okay, let us make now object for animal. Okay, so how will I make the object? For how we used to make objects? Okay, we used to make objects by what you call, by giving giving the functionality by what, by using the thing called as constructor. Okay, how will I use a constructor? I will use something like this. Okay, animal a, let it be a, equal to new keyword of Java, then the name of the blueprint class that I just made here. Okay, animal a equal to new animal, close brackets. Okay, semicolon close. Okay, now object for animal is created. Now I can replicate animal a1, a2, a3 till my choice. Okay, and I can what, one by one call name, call age, call this method also. Okay, this is what I will show now. Okay, to you. Okay, so a dot, let us now access. Okay, what is the first property? A dot name. Okay, what is the name? Name is, what is the name of my animal? Name of my animal is, let's say, any name you tell, right? Let's say it is buffalo. Okay, buffalo, right? Buffalo is is my animal name. Okay, yeah. One more thing. Here I missed a vital thing. What I have missed? I have missed the main function, friends. How can I forget main function? Okay, without main function, Java program will never run. Okay, so yeah, now I will create the object of animal, and now I will call the these properties, right? Name, age. Okay, so yeah, just now I have shown again I have to repeat. Okay, animal. Okay, let us give one short form. A equal to new keyword of Java. Objects is always getting, objects always got created with new keyword of Java. Okay, so this new is basically new keyword of Java. Okay, and yeah, this whole line is known as constructors. Okay, constructors means they will only make the object for you. Okay, let me give you an example, right? If I want to make this home, okay, so I need some cement, I need some, you know what, plastic, plaster material and all. Okay, then only I can, you know what, make my home. Okay, this is what this these are the required thing, no? So they are the real life constructors of the of making a, you know, huge home and all. Okay, and this is animal A equal to new animal, you know, this uh, functions sort of a thing, like, you know, this closed braces. They are also known as constructors. It is a method, it is a function, but this is the special category of function that will not return you anything. Okay, friends. So yeah, object got created, we got no error till here. Right now, one by one, I will call name. Okay, just look how incredible this ID is, friends. You know, all IDs. I'm not saying IntelliJ ID is amazing, right? This is phenomenal. I'm saying, right, spectacular. But as far as IDE is concerned, ID is good, right? So I have created name right here. So automatically from drop down itself, you can select a dot. Yeah, from what you want to select, name, age, and all. You know, he's telling me. So I have selected name, and let's say name is, yeah, what you call, Buffalo. Okay, so Buffalo. Okay, so is my name. Okay, so now let me just print this. Okay, so a dot name. Okay, a dot name I have selected. Okay, so yeah, one by you can call like this, you can call a dot age, a dot, you know, this function name, you will get the result. Okay, let me show you, okay, how what I'm telling. Okay, now this is still you know, previous things only happening. Okay, now inheritance still not got started. Okay, yeah, I have given you the, I have started the inheritance lecture, but for in order to actually implement the inheritance, I have to create object of animal, and one by one for what you call object for lion, sorry. Then one by one for lion, L, you know, L short form I will give in the later. L dot name, L dot age, you know, L dot this function name. I have to you know what, call and see. Okay, still inheritance is not executed. Okay, still we are in the previous concepts only. Okay, so in order to implement inheritance, firstly you are supposed to, you know, make the class, blueprint class of the same category, and always just give the extends keyword. So yeah, likewise you can do. Okay, but still I have not started, so I will not say. So a dot age is what you call, a dot age is, what is the age of my animal? Age of my buffalo is, let's say she is 12 years. Okay, she is 12 years. All right, now print this. Okay, let us print this. A dot age. Simple, right? All right, friends. So yeah, so you can see the result is here only, right? So let me show you the result also. All right, buffalo 12, like this, you know, is got printed here, right? Now let us call the method also, right, friends? Here we have made one method. No, what method we have made? Method that we have made is animal functionality. What is the animal functionality? Animal functionality is, this is my respective functionality of the buffalo, right? So yeah, like likewise, you know, you can tell. All right, this is my respective functionality of the buffalo. So friends, you know, I have made the object for animal class, and one by one, I have accessed name, I have accessed age, I have accessed the method that I have just made. Okay, now friends, I was telling you, I, you know, I was previously I was telling you that if I want to implement inheritance, you know, all those property what that I have made for animal, if I want to, you know, replicate and, you know, again apply the same property for lion, for chimpanzee, for what I will do is, firstly I will, okay, I will make the object for lion class, lion blueprint class. Okay, blueprint class, then only inheritance will work. Okay, yeah, first thing first is you are supposed to write extends keyword from where, from where he is extending. Okay, from animal class he is extending, no, like likewise, you know, you are supposed to write. Okay, so I will make the object for lion class, lion blueprint class. Then I will access the property. Simple, right? By putting the dot the way I have done here, a dot name, a dot age. Simple, right? Not a big deal. Okay, so yeah, then I will then I will access the properties that I have defined for what you call animal class. Okay, very simple, right? I'm telling, inheritance is very simple. Okay, I think till now you don't have any doubt. Okay, so yeah friends, let us now create the object for lion class. How to create object? I think till now everyone knows how to create object, right? What is the short form you want to give? Short form that I want to give is L, right? L, small l, I want to give the short form. Okay, in objects always getting created by the new keyword of Java in the heap area. Fuck, sorry for that word. New lion. Okay, so yeah, object for lion is now done, is now initialized. Okay, now I can access all the properties of animal that I have defined in animal class for lion. Okay, because why? Here now inheritance will work. Okay, so yeah, let us now see. Now in the drop down itself we is selecting. Now from the drop down itself we can select. Okay, let's say L dot name. What name I want to give for my lion? Okay, the name I want to give for my lion is, let's say it, he is, what you call, uh what name I can give for lion. Okay, let us think some cool name. Okay, let us, she is Simba, Singham, right? And yeah, in Tamil, in what you call, in Kannada, lion means Singham only, right? Okay. L dot, age of my lion, right? How old is my lion? Let's say she is, okay, let's say he is, she, whatever you want to call. Okay, let us now, I have not defined the gender, no. Gender also I can define in blueprint class. Okay, and after applying the inheritance I can access the gender also. Okay, so how old is my lion? How old is my Singham? My Singham is, let's say she is 21 years. Okay, let's say he is 21 years. Okay, he, she, what have you. Okay, so yeah, now I will access this method. Okay, the method that I have defined for animal class. Okay, now I will inherit this particular method, animal functionality, you know method for my lion class. Okay, already I have already told you, you can access all the things that you have defined in animal class for lion. Okay, because now you have made the object for lion class. Okay, now you can access all the properties of lion, of animal, sorry. Okay, so yeah, what is my animal functionality, friends? Okay, okay, yeah, one more thing. He will now what I'm telling, he will not print, no, because I have not given the command of print, right? So he will not show me the result. But yeah, it is absolutely correct only. But yeah, I want to show you the execution, no, that's why I just opened the video. Okay, so let me show you the execution as well, baby. All right, so friends, I have made the object for lion, and I have, what you call, accessed L dot name equal to Singham, since system dot out dot println L dot name, and one by one I have called them. Okay, all the properties that I have defined in animal class, because now inheritance is working. No, I have made the object, and for lion, class name also, I have given the extends keyword. Extending from what? From animal class, I have written absolutely correctly. Let us see I will get the result or not. Okay, so yeah, let us now see the results. Okay, same thing friends, I am giving you assignment. You will do the result for chimpanzee. Okay, this is assignment for you. Okay, simple, right? Simple, you will not do anything. Okay, the way I have created the lion object, similarly here you will create the chimpanzee object. Okay, now one by one you will call the name, you will call the age of what you call chimpanzee, and you will print them. Okay, result is in front of you friends. Okay, you can see the results. Okay, yeah, the laptop is touch screen, right? That's it. So result is absolutely correct, friends. I was telling you, no, Singham is my lion name. Okay, that's what I have given here, no, Singham. Okay, and how old she is? She is 21 years. Okay, she, he, whatever you want to call. Okay, then L dot, what is the animal? What is my animal functionality? Okay, what is the functionality of my animal? Okay, what is the functionality of lion? The functionality of my animal is this is my respective functionality only. Okay, so I have not defined the functionality for, just I have given the functionality in the method. While defining the method, the functionality was this only, right? This is my respective functionality. Okay, one more thing, friends. You can create in what you call method inside the animal class, lion class also, right? But in order to access this method, you can use same, right? No as such difficulty, right? Let us now, I will show you. Okay, let us now, because this is lion, right? I cannot mix buffalo with lion. Okay, one guy is buffalo, is not studying in the whole class, he's not doing coding at all, right? And one guy, he's studying very seriously coding, right? He's watching each and every lecture of mine, right? So I have to separate them, right? I have to separate buffaloes and lions, right? Then only you know logic will be there, right? So let me now define the functionality for lion separately. For lion separately. Okay, and I will call them separately. Okay, already object is created, right, for lion, right? So L object is created, right? So I will call this new method by that name. Okay, very easy, right? I think you know how to call a method and all, right? So yeah, it is public. I Why? Because publicly lion should be visible, right? Public access modifiers, right? You can say like this. Okay, public void. Yeah, he's not returning me anything, right? Then then what functionality I can give? Okay, lion functionality. Okay, he's not. The moment I have given void here, definitely I have to give round brackets. Okay, this much everyone knows. Okay, let us now define the method. Okay, what is the method that lion will perform? The functionality that a lion will define is, friends, he will. Okay, let me write like this. Okay, let me write in caps. Okay, I am king of jungle. Feeder up in the jungle. There is a song, right, by Inzar, right? I don't remember. I think English song, right? I don't remember the name exactly. So, friends, now I have defined the method. I have defined the method called as lion functionality inside the lion class, lion blueprint class. Now, I want to access this method inside my what you call public class. Okay, how will I access them? Already, what is the object for lion? L, right? Not L, not caps L, it is shortened. Okay, L dot. Just look, friends, how incredible, how brilliant they are. Okay, the moment I have defined the lion functionality in my blueprint class of lion, he automatically detected somewhere in the, we can say, some sort of a database of IntelliJ IDEA, lion functionality data variable got created. Okay, now only that only he is showing to me. Okay, people say we will do coding in edit plus, people say we will do coding in what you call notepad and all. Okay, friends, I'm not against those softwares. Okay, but there is something called as joy of coding. Okay, that you will get only when you are in IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, this is especially designed for Java developers only, right? Eclipse interface is very difficult, right? VS Code also I don't like to code in VS Code, and I love IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, how many of you love IntelliJ IDEA? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, because of this feature, friends. Okay, I love IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, all right, got created, buddy. Yeah, now let us call them. All right, friends, you can see here the result is in front of you. Jungle, I am a king of jungle. Okay, this is how, friends, inheritance works in Java. Okay, if you have any doubt, and yeah, assignment for you, right? What is the assignment? Similarly, for chimpanzee class, you will create the object for chimpanzee, and you will call all those properties of, you know, animal that I have defined for chimpanzee, right? And one more assignment for you is you will create a special method for chimpanzee. Okay, and that chimpanzee can be anything, right? I love bananas and all, you can make on your own, right? And you will call them in your function. Okay, if you have, you will call them inside the public class. You will make the object for chimpanzee first, then you will make the method in the chimpanzee class, then you will call that method, okay, in the public class. Okay, so friends, this is me, Falcon 227. Okay, we are ready for the arrival. Okay, so friends, how you like this video, tell me. Okay, how you like this video, tell me in the comment section. I did my level best. Okay, as this is what a person can do. Okay, nobody used to teach inheritance like this, friends. Okay, the way I have explained you. Okay, the I love things, right? So yeah, if you need more lectures like this, hit the like button, subscribe button, and never miss any update from Lethargic Mathematician CSC lectures. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Falcon 227 ready to leave from Redmi 12. Bye, friends. Okay, so friends, this is recursion. Okay, but I will make separate video for recursion, right? We are wondering what is recursion, buddy? We don't know. Okay, what you know? Your girlfriend name, buddy? What you? Okay, bye, friends.